Hello, my dear friends. Today, I'll share with you 100-year-old Japanese beauty secrets that remove wrinkles, fade dark spots, and prevent aging, even at 70. Each of these natural recipes restores firmness, smoothness, and radiance to your skin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural anti-aging recipes. First recipe: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Avocado oil nourishes, hydrates, and restores elasticity to the skin. Benefit: this mask cleanses pores, brightens dull skin, and makes your face visibly smoother and more refreshed. Friends, write in the comments, where are you watching from? How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands with gentle circular motions. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then with cool water. Apply your favorite moisturizer afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Second recipe: 1 teaspoon of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Yogurt gently exfoliates dead cells and nourishes the skin, giving it softness and glow. This mask smooths the skin, tightens pores, and leaves your face clean, soft, and bright. How to use: apply the mixture to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Use 2 times a week. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Third recipe: 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe soothes irritation, hydrates deeply, and restores healthy radiance. This is a nourishing night cream that reduces wrinkles and improves skin elasticity while you sleep. How to use: apply a thin layer over your face and neck before bedtime. Leave overnight and rinse gently in the morning. Use every night for the best anti-aging results. Make sure to subscribe for more powerful skincare secrets. Fourth recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of milk. Milk brightens and softens the skin. Benefit: this mask lightens pigmentation, evens the tone, and gives a smooth porcelain finish. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Finish with a moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for glowing skin. Fifth recipe: 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, 1/2 teaspoon of rosehip oil. Rosehip oil rejuvenates and helps reduce dark spots. This mask nourishes dry, mature skin, restores elasticity, and gives a beautiful, healthy glow. How to use: Apply a thin layer to your face, neck, and hands. You can leave it overnight for deep nourishment, or rinse it off after 40 minutes. Use every night or as needed for hydration and smoothness. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.